Alright, let's look at he. We repeat ke, and we put a circle here. It's a he. So it means stretcher. Okay, a 担架，就是用来抬人的那个担架 a stretcher. Alright, so for carrying people. Okay, like at the beginning, for example, how. This is a how. 什么 means in this way. So how 什么 or how 什么 either is fine. how 什么班积木 B 不按班 This is 不按班 G and m. Okay, and B it means to live. Okay, to live well 就是过得还可以 how 什么班积木 B. Okay, another example. how 什么 OMB. I just write OMB. O, mu, and B. You can finish B, then you put an M here. OMB 就是可以的意思。how 什么 OMB 就是还可以 It's going well. It's fine. As gate. Okay, like that. All right. So let's look at 和 in the middle. For example, n, te, he, and me. You can finish me, and then you put a circle here. N te he me. This is en. Okay, do not write this way because this is a. Okay, for example, anya en te he me a. Okay, and then I write ne yi ni. N and yi, okay, and yi a ya, sorry, yi, this is consonant yi, this is ni, okay, and a in the end, anya is year, anya and he me, it's 延年益寿那个延年 okay, it's like years ago for many years, like that, okay, anya and he me. All right, so this is he in the middle. Let's look at he in the end. For example, 我 and he. 我和 Okay, so it's a stone, rock, 石头 Another example, be he. Okay, it's 曾经 once before. And one more example, B, this is a T, okay, T, and this is a H, but it reads B, T, okay, it's a books, scripts, all right, so this is so much about H, at the beginning, in the middle, and in the end, 就是字头、字中、字尾，当然还有独立态，就是那个 standing alone form. All right.